Cell and cell organelles. Cell is the structural and the functional unit of the body. The term cell was coined by the Robert Hooke, and there are two types of the cell, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. The prokaryotic word is derived from the Greek word, that means primitive nucleus, and the eukaryotic is also derived from the Greek word, that means the cell having the true nucleus with the nuclear membrane. Cytology or the cell biology means the study of the cell. Cytogenetics, study of the various components of the cell, means the cytogenetics. The general size of the cell is 0.2 to 20 micron, and the smallest cell is the mycoplasma, which ranges about 0.1 micron. The largest cell is the egg of the ostrich, which is about 75 mm. Cell is the structural and the functional unit of the body. Term cell was coined by the Robert Hooke. The structure of the plant cell is as follows, and this is the structure of the cell. Organelles of the cell. There are different components of the cell called the organelles, and these are as the cell wall, plasma lemma, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, spirosomes, chloroplast, mitochondria, nucleus, vacuoles, microtubules, centrioles, etc. Actually, the centriole is present in the animal cells, for it's involved in the cell division. The round spherical bodies are there, present in the pair. Cell wall. The cell wall was composed of the three regions: middle lamella, primary and secondary cell wall. Firstly, cell wall. What is meant by cell wall? The non-living component secreted by the cell is called a cell wall. It provides the definite shape to the cell, gives a mechanical support and strength to the tissues and the organs. Let's see the first component of the first region of the cell wall, that is middle lamella. The middle lamella is the cementing layer between two adjacent cells. It is made up of the calcium and manganese pectate. Then primary cell wall. Primary cell wall is composed of the hemicellulose, cellulose, protein and lipid pectins. It is the principal layer of the mesostematic cell, chlorophyllous cell and true parenchyma. Secondary cell wall. It is the innermost cell layer, and it is composed of the cellulose, lignin and suberin. Plasma lemma. It is also called as cell membrane or plasma membrane. The term plasma membrane was used by the Nageli and Kramer in 1855, and the term plasma lemma is given by J.Q. Plover in 1931, and the plasma lemma is discovered by the Schwann in 1838. It is composed of the lipids and proteins. Plasma lemma controls diffusion of the ions. It acts as a mechanical frame for the cell and acts as a vehicle for transport of various substances between the cell organelles. Protoplasm. Protoplasm. The word protoplasm was coined by Purkinje. It is a living colloidal or a semi-fluid substance. Protoplasm means nucleus plus cytoplasm. Cytoplasm means protoplast except nucleus. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is semi-permeable in nature, and it is externally bound by the cell membrane and internally by the tonoplast. Tonoplast is the membrane which surrounds the vacuoles. Cytoplasm acts as medium for the transport of various cellular products and intracellular members. It provides matrix in which organelles remains floating. Means in cytoplasm, the organelles of the cells are embedded. Next is plastid. The plastid term was first time introduced by E. Haeckel in 1866. And it was discovered by Schimper in 1885. There are different types of the plastids, namely chromoplast, leucoplast and chloroplast. Chromoplast is the colored body, hence colored plastid. It belongs to the pigments which present in the chromoplast belongs to the carotenoid groups. Examples are carotene and xanthophyll. Leucoplast is the colorless plastid which involves in the storage of the food. There are different types of the leucoplast present in the cell. They are amyloplast, which stores starch, aleuroplast, which stores proteins, and lipoplast, which stores oil. Then chloroplast. Chloroplast is the green colored body. We all know what is chloroplast. It performs function of the photosynthesis. And the chloroplast was discovered by the Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It was named by C. Benda in 1897. Why it is called as powerhouse of the cell? Because the ATP molecules, which are the energy sources, are formed in the mitochondria while aerobic respiration. Ribosome. Ribosome was named by Hagemann in 1958. And the presence of the ribosome in the plant was reported by the Robert Brown, which discovers the nucleus. And presence of the ribosome was reported by Robert Brown in 1953. We all know what is the function of the ribosomes. It is the synthesis of the proteins, and it is made up of the RNA and protein. The diameter of the ribosome is 200 angstrom. Then next, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is discovered by the Porter and Thompson in 1945, and the term was given by Porter in 1953. There are different functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. It forms a skeletal framework within the cytoplasm, and biosynthesis of the fatty acid and phospholipids takes place in the endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of the endoplasmic reticulum. They are rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. On the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum, there is the presence of the ribosome, and rough endoplasmic reticulum also functions as synthesis of the protein. Golgi complex is also called as Golgi bodies, lipochondria, Golgisomes. It was discovered by the Camillo Golgi in 1898, and it is composed by 2 to 7 cisterns. It participates in the cell wall formation, hence it is called as packaging body of the cell. It gives rise to the primary lysosomes, which performs digestion of the internal cell organelles, which are unnecessary for the cell, and it involves in regulation of the fluid balance. Next, lysosome. Lysosome is also called as suicide bags, and the term lysosome was given by the D. Dewar in 1955. It is observed in the liver tissues. They are round, dense bodies which contains hydrolytic enzymes in it and performs intracellular digestion. When the cell digests own cell inclusions in the adverse condition, it is called as autophagy. And autolysis means the removal of the dead cells from the body. Spirosomes. Spirosomes was discovered by Dangiard in 1919. Spirosomes are the minute spherical bodies lies free in the cytoplasm. Spirosomes involved in the fat synthesis, fat storage and the transport, but not yet confirmed. Vacuoles. One or more vacuoles are present in the plant cell. Vacuoles perform the function for storage of the cell sap, and the tonoplast is called as the membrane of the vacuole. Nucleus. The nucleus discovered by the Robert Brown in 1831, first in the orchid cells. It occupies about 2/3 of the cell space. It is spherical in the shape, lying in the cytoplasm. It is bounded by two unit membranes of the lipoproteinous in nature. Semi-fluid substance present inside the nucleus is called as nuclear sap or nucleoplasm. In interphase, nucleus contains a dense spherical body inside it, that is nucleolus. It is composed of the proteins and RNA. Chromatin network. It forms a skeleton of the nucleus, and it is the main genetic material of the cell.